Hello friends, once again I am here with another important topic. The topic is micturition and constituents of urine. So friends, urine formed by the nephrons is ultimately carried to the urinary bladder where it is stored till a voluntary signal is given by the central nervous system or CNS. So this signal is initiated by the stretching of urinary bladder as it gets filled with urine. In response, the stretch receptors on the walls of the bladder and signals to the CNS. The CNS passes on motor message to initiate the contraction of smooth muscles of the bladder and simultaneously relaxation of the urethral sphincter, causing the release of urine. So, friends, the process of releasing of urine is called micturition, and the neural mechanism causing it is called the micturition reflex. So, friends, an adult human excretes an average 1 to 1.5 liters urine per day. The urine formed is a light yellow colored watery fluid which is slightly acidic pH 6.0 and has a characteristic odor. On an average, 25 to 30 gram of urea is excreted out per day. So, various conditions can affect the characteristics of urine. Analysis of urine helps in clinical diagnosis of many metabolic disorders as well as malfunctioning of the kidney. For example, presence of glucose, glycosuria, the ketone bodies, so ketonuria is in urine are indicative of diabetes mellitus. So friends, humans urine contains urea as a cheap nitrogenous waste. Other nitrogenous waste excreted in urine in ammonia, uric acid, creatinine and hypuric acids. So it also contains salts like sodium chloride, traces of mineral ions like sulfates, chlorides, phosphates, calcium, magnesium and non-nitrogenous substances like vitamin C, oxalic acids, alcohol and phenolic substances. So friends, glucose and proteins are normally absent or present in traces. Constituents of urine, we can say that constituents क्या है? Characteristics of urine already discussed. So now we will talk about the functions of kidneys. So kidneys are the very important part of the body and they functions most important functions in the body. So first function is excretion of metabolic waste, removal of nitrogenous wastes like urea, creatinine, uric acid, hypuric acid, etc. So first function or first point is removal of excretory waste. Second one is osmoregulation. Regulate the amount of water content in blood by producing hypotonic or hypertonic urine. Third one is excretion of salt. Excrete excess of sodium chloride and potassium ion and regulate their concentration in blood. Fourth point is control of blood sodium level. Kidneys maintain a constant sodium level in blood under the control of aldosterone hormones. Decreased sodium level in blood brings about the release of aldosterone, which stimulates active uptake of sodium from filtrate into blood plasma, and this in a turn leads to reabsorption of water. So just the reverse takes place if there is excess of sodium in the blood. So in this way, kidneys performs a lot of functions in our body, very important part of the body. So friends, in this sections we had discussed about micturition reflex and constituents of urine and the functions of kidney.